welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing a wig from WestKiss hair. Here's the packaging that it comes with. You will receive a wig cap, a beautiful headband, and then your wig. And this is how it came packaged. Here is the wig outside of the packaging. It has the styrofoam and the netting around it. Also, this is how it looks without the netting and styrofoam. It's very soft, very pretty. This is a 8-inch bob. The construction comes like you get 2 clips on the side, 1 in the back, and then you get your parting space, and it's just that's the only lace on the wig is that parting space. So right here I'm just showing you it does come with adjustable straps as well, which comes in handy with the wig. Right here I'm just gonna flat iron the hair just a little bit, just to kind of bump the ends and get it all nice and flattened out. And of course I have to use my flat iron perfector on this hair. I just love this stuff so much. It works really good when you want to flat iron your hair. So right here I'm just going to show you guys how the wig looks after flat ironing, before styling it. And I just want to let you know that this hair that I'm wearing, before I take it off, I did get this from Amazon as well. It's a headband wig. It does tangle a lot though. The headband is fully attached. You can't change it. You can't take it off. None of that. But she does tangle because she is synthetic. But she's really soft and pretty. So I'll leave info on this. Pause.
Do you know the Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man!
Yes, I know the Muffin Man. Who lives on Drury Lane?
Y'all, I'm so sorry, but I really feel like this wig is giving me Lord Farquaad vibes. Like, I'm trying so hard to like this wig. Like, right here, I'm like, I need bangs because I can't do it. I just can't. This wig is not what I'm used to. And I just wasn't feeling it. So, but I'm trying, okay? I tried my best with this hair. I just can't with this wig. All I can think is this dude. Like, what is going on with his hair? Okay, y'all, so I am done styling this wig. This is the best I can do. But I'm going to show you guys how it looks from behind and the sides. It's very pretty, very flowy, all of that. It's pretty. It's just not for me. Like, I am not used to middle part bobs and this short hair. I usually like longer hair, but girl, if you like the middle part bobs and you like short hair, then go for it. But it's just not for me. But I will leave the information about this wig down below for you guys. I'll have the full link and everything for you. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.